So, special needs education helps students with disabilities by giving them the right support to learn in a way na mag-work talaga para sa kanila. Yung mga teacher is gumagamit ng special teaching methods or strategies, instructional materials, and differentiated instructions na pwedeng makahelp sa mga bata. So, yung school, nagkakaroon din ng mga changes sa classroom and sa schedule to meet each student's learning needs. So, sa ganung pamamaraan, every child can learn and grow at their own pace. For me, one of the key teaching strategies for supporting students with special needs is being flexible, because every student has a different learning styles and pacing. So being flexible can help the teacher to support and to cater each of the students' learning needs. So yes, my perception has changed since I started studying special needs education, because it serves an eye-opener for me na ang daming realization na dapat pala talagang pahalagahan ang mga batang may special needs. Dapat silang intindihin kasi sa panahon ngayon ang daming judgment and discrimination na nangyayari. And dapat we should break the stigma na kapag may kapansanan is wala nang karapatang mag-aral, and dapat hindi rin natin tinutuldukan kung ano yung kanilang mga kakayahan. Yes, I can see myself teaching special needs education. Siguro yung magiging impact naman nito sa personal growth ko is maging mas patient, creative, and understanding, and siguro maging madiskarte since iba't ibang disabilities yung pwedeng hawakan or turuan, and syempre iba't iba rin yun na needs. So, dapat madiskarte ka talaga kung paano mo sila i-handle. In professional growth naman, siguro it will make me more skilled and compassionate na teacher, na pwedeng mag-adapt sa iba't ibang teaching strategies para maka-help sa success ng bawat student. So, as a future SPED teacher, ma-advocate ko yung mga students na hindi masyadong alam about special needs education by giving them awareness. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, ang daming judgmental, criticism, and discrimination na nangyayari kapag hindi ka knowledgeable about certain things. So, by giving them awareness, siguro, pwede yung maka-help na mas maintindihan nila at dapat para talagang pahalagahan and umunawain ang mga batang may special needs.